Unboxing PS Plus. Minecraft bonuses on PlayStation.
Hey there, gamers! Today we're going to deep dive into the benefits of having a PlayStation Plus subscription for playing Minecraft on your PlayStation. If you're a Minecraft fan and considering whether a PS Plus subscription is worth it, we've got you covered. Let's unravel the advantages and the exclusive benefits you can enjoy.
What is PlayStation Plus?
Before diving into the specifics, let's quickly go over what PlayStation Plus is. PlayStation Plus is a subscription service available on the PlayStation Network that grants several benefits to its users. These perks range from free monthly games, exclusive discounts, online multiplayer access, cloud storage for game saves, and much more.
Can you play Minecraft without PS Plus?
The question that often comes up is, can I play Minecraft without a PS Plus subscription? The short answer is, yes, you can. Minecraft can be played solo without any need for a PS Plus subscription. However, if you're interested in experiencing the vast multiplayer universe that Minecraft offers, a PS Plus subscription becomes a necessity.
How does PS Plus enhance your Minecraft experience?
Here's where things get interesting. PS Plus offers a host of benefits for Minecraft players. Let's look at them one by one. 1. Online multiplayer. PS Plus unlocks the power of online multiplayer in Minecraft. This allows you to join millions of other Minecraft players across the globe, collaborate on massive building projects, participate in PvP, player versus player, games, or simply explore other players' creations. 2. Cloud saves. With PS Plus, you get access to cloud storage. That means you can save your Minecraft game progress in the cloud and continue your game on any other PlayStation console, keeping your worlds and creations safe. 3. Free monthly games and discounts. While this might not be directly related to Minecraft, being a PS Plus member often comes with exclusive discounts on games and DLCs, downloadable content, on the PlayStation Store, including Minecraft expansions and skin packs. In addition, the free monthly games could introduce you to new gaming experiences you might enjoy. So there you have it. While you can certainly enjoy Minecraft without a PS Plus subscription, having one significantly expands your opportunities for fun and engagement in the game. From joining the vast multiplayer community to saving your game progress in the cloud and getting exclusive discounts, the benefits are plentiful. We hope this video helped you understand why PS Plus can be a great addition to your Minecraft experience on PlayStation. Keep building, and game on!